It's been an unusual fall in cattle markets, and here to talk about it is Derrell Peel, our livestock marketing specialist. And Derrell, talk about what's going on with these feeder cattle markets.
Well, we've continued to be surprised this fall with the strength in these cattle markets. The cow-calf producers are selling calves this fall $150 to $200 higher than they were this time last year. We have not seen the normal seasonal decline through September and into early October, and more recently we've actually seen these feeder cattle prices, these cash market prices go up counter-seasonally.
And don't we have more cattle actually at this point?
We do. That's the surprising part of this, is that we had a bigger calf crop in 2017. The auction volumes and feeder cattle marketing volumes in general have been higher this fall, and yet we're seeing the strength in the markets despite that supply pressure.
In your opinion, what is driving this strength in the markets?
Well, it's coming at all levels of the industry, and it really, ultimately, it really is a testament to the overall strength in demand in the beef industry. And so it's starting at the beef level, consumer level. It's coming back down through wholesale prices, through fed cattle prices, and into these feeder cattle markets. And so it really highlights the pleasantness of having a strong demand situation. It makes it much easier for all sectors of the industry to sort of be in positive mode at the same time.
And then in turn, how will this impact winter stockers?
Well, stocker producers for the last month have been asking me when they were going to get a chance to buy these calves a little bit cheaper. They're looking for that seasonal decline, and we told them it didn't look like it was going to be much of a decline. Now it's actually gone back up a little bit. But the other side of it is, if you look at where the futures markets have been, both the feeder and live cattle markets have been very strong. And so there actually was a good margin being offered out there. It's not a guarantee unless you actually go take a position in those futures markets, and it can change pretty quickly. There's quite a bit of volatility from day to day, but at times there have been a very good margin offered. So despite the fact that we didn't see the kind of buying opportunity we were looking for, it still seems to work for the stocker margins this fall.
And then how about feedlots that are buying these expensive feeders?
Again, the heavy feeders went up this fall, even earlier than the calves did. And same deal, and yet if you look at, again, based on those strength in futures markets, feedlots actually have an opportunity to sort of pencil in a decent feeding opportunity for these cattle. So again, it sort of works at all levels, and that's been the nice thing about it. Again, it's sort of based on these futures markets, which can be very volatile, so you got to really look at that and take advantage of those opportunities. They could go away very quickly, but in general, it's been a pleasant surprise this fall at pretty much all levels of the industry.
So enjoy it while it lasts.
Exactly.
Okay, Derrell Peel, thanks a lot. We'll see you again soon.